An earthquake of 6.0 magnitude struck Japan's Kyushu on Wednesday, according to the National Center for Seismology. No reports of any damage have been reported yet. The Japan Meteorological Agency said that the earthquake struck at 7:34 local time at a depth of 40 kilometers. The earthquake comes days after a 7.7 magnitude earthquake flattened buildings across Myanmar, killing more than 2,800 people and making thousands more homeless. On Monday, a report by the Japan's government said that a megaquake and subsequent tsunami could cause as many as 298,000 deaths in Japan and damage costing up to $2 trillion.